Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. This video is about drinking water during pregnancy. So let's start this video. Drinking water during pregnancy is very essential. Water carries oxygen and all the essential nutrients to the cells and organs of the expectant mother as well as to her fetus. Water transports all the prenatal vitamins to your unborn baby in the womb. Water is very essential for your overall health as well as for the healthy and proper development of your baby. Your body and your organs need water to function properly whether you are pregnant or not. The body requires water to stay healthy. If you don't drink enough water during pregnancy, it can cause dehydration, which can lead to fatigue, dizziness, cramps, and headaches. You need to stay well hydrated during your pregnancy to ensure your baby's proper health and well being. So, drinking adequate water during pregnancy is very essential. Benefits of drinking water during pregnancy. The benefits of drinking adequate water during pregnancy are: first, transport nutrients to the fetus. Water helps the body to absorb all the nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and transport them to body cells. Water carries all the essential nutrients to blood cells, and then these nutrients are sent to the placenta to nourish your baby. Second, prevent dehydration. Dehydration can cause dizziness, cramping, nausea, headache during pregnancy. Drinking water helps to prevent dehydration. Dehydration can trigger contractions that can lead to preterm labor, especially in the third trimester of pregnancy. Staying hydrated is very essential during pregnancy. Drinking water also helps to alleviate morning sickness, heartburn, and acidity, which are very common complications during the first trimester of pregnancy. Third, aids digestion. Drinking water helps to regulate bowel movements and aids digestion during pregnancy. Drinking water during pregnancy keeps you away from the problem of constipation, water retention, and hemorrhoids. Fourth, prevent constipation. Drinking water helps to reduce constipation during pregnancy. Constipation can lead to hemorrhoids during pregnancy. Drinking water keeps you away from the problem of hemorrhoids. Fifth, prevent urinary tract infection (UTI). Drinking water helps you to keep away from the problem of urinary tract infections. Drinking water helps to dilute the urine, which reduces the risk of vaginal infections. Sixth, prevent edema. The swelling of feet and ankles is known as edema. Edema is a very common complication that is faced by most pregnant women during their pregnancy period. Drinking water helps to get rid of excess sodium and helps to reduce edema. Seventh, regulate body temperature. Having water in an adequate amount helps to regulate body temperature during pregnancy. A pregnant woman is prone to maternal overheating if she is not drinking enough water during pregnancy. Drinking water helps to regulate internal body temperature and keeps you calm and away from stress during pregnancy. Eighth, alleviate morning sickness and nausea. Most pregnant women experience morning sickness and nausea during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester of pregnancy. Dehydration can make these symptoms worse. That's why keeping yourself hydrated during pregnancy is very essential. Ninth, flush out harmful toxins. Drinking adequate water helps your body to flush out all the harmful toxins from the body. It also makes your skin looks healthy and pimple free. 10th, reduce water retention. The body retains water during pregnancy and most of it is used in the amniotic sac, which protects the fetus. Drinking adequate water helps to reduce water retention during pregnancy. How much water to drink in a day while pregnant? Drink at least 8 to 12 glasses of water every day during pregnancy. Sip water throughout the day rather than drinking a lot of water at once. If you don't like to drink plain water, then you can add other ingredients such as mint, lemon, coriander in water as well. Healthy drinks to consume during pregnancy. Drinking water is the healthiest way to keep yourself hydrated during pregnancy. If you don't like to drink plain water all the time, then you can also cover your recommended fluid intake by taking some other healthy drinks. Some of the healthy drinks you can take during pregnancy are coconut water, fruit juice, buttermilk, lime water, milk, fruits and vegetables with high water content such as watermelon, cucumber, celery. Clear urine color is a sign that your body is well hydrated. But if your urine is dark yellow colored, then it's a sign that you have to increase your daily fluid intake. Keep yourself well hydrated throughout your pregnancy as dehydration can cause many serious complications during the pregnancy period. Have a happy, safe, and healthy pregnancy. May God bless you and your little bundle of joy with lots of happiness and good health. So that's all for today's video. To know more on this topic, click on the link given in the video's description box. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. Like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.